For nearly a decade, DDC's founders created and refined their dynamic density control cabinet technology to solve complex modern data center problems driven by today's unprecedented compute-intensive workloads. Developed by data center operators for data centers, DDC future-proofs your data center investments. DDC delivers the highest air-cooled density data center solutions with the lowest total cost of ownership through its dynamic management software and award-winning cabinet technology. Well-funded by Cequel 3 and Thompson Street Capital Partners, DDC has scaled its manufacturing capabilities to serve the growing needs of large-scale colocation service providers, hyperscalers, and enterprise data centers, as well as their design engineers, to push beyond the limits of existing data center capabilities, providing a complete solution in a single cabinet. Our award-winning cabinets feature a patented hybrid liquid air-cooled system that offers 0 to 85 kilowatts per cabinet, providing intelligent power handling and sustainable enterprise environment controls, all managed by DDC's DCIM monitoring software. Our dedicated team of computational fluid dynamic experts and mechanical design engineers have delivered unmatched operating rack densities. DDC uses state-of-the-art CAD techniques with extensive use of 3D modeling linked to its computer-aided manufacturing facilities. This seamless integration of engineering disciplines produces highest quality cabinets with exceptional adherence to form, fit, function, and computational fluid dynamics to guarantee performance, all supported by rigorous testing. DDC's fast, automated manufacturing capabilities, which include highly sophisticated machinery coupled with exceptional design and engineering leadership, ensure that DDC's data center solutions are manufactured to the highest standards, ISO 9001 certified, giving you endless options backed by a 12-month parts and labor warranty, plus easy dock-to-dock shipping. DDC's manufacturing capabilities deliver on time, every time, at the scale needed to meet the growing demands of your compute-intensive workloads. In a world where density matters, discover DDC's complete data center solutions and build your future data center today.